My name's Jamie and I'm founder of St. J Marketing. We scale e-commerce and local businesses using social media advertising, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we scaled this e-com brand from $800 a month to $60,000 a month. Let's get into it. So we can see here for this client, we've been working together for a number of years, and as you can see here, we have on this campaign spent $7,000 and returned $20,000. In this campaign we've spent $29,000 and we've returned $59,000. You don't spend $29,000 on an ad campaign if it's not profitable. Today, we're making around $60,000 a month. When we first started working together about 3 years ago, we were making about $800 a month. So what I did for them is I created for them social media ads, and then these ads, all of which are performing at higher than a 2 times return on investment. So we started at $800 a month, implemented this system, and we made a bit more, made a bit more, made a bit more, made a bit more. Over the last 365 days on Shopify, we have made a continual amount, month after month after month. April 2025, we did $68,000. So on this month to date, where is May, it's currently May the 16th, and we're on $28,000. So we are definitely on track to beating our target. And it's all thanks to social media advertising. So running paid advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, Pinterest. If you are someone that owns an e-com store that is looking to scale with paid advertising, or you want to learn exactly how you can implement these strategies yourself, then be sure to schedule a call with me using the link below.